This week was quite busy in entertainment. Here's the Intense 5. The Oscars were this week and all the stars were out just like Riri's tummy. But one of the big talks was that the great Angela Bassett didn't win. Her face said everything we were thinking. Chance the Rapper is living his best life right here in JA. He's all over the place chilling with our celebs and of course getting the best Jamaican experience. We love that for you. No sir, what a way Whisper get pre-contract with Chelsea. We love that for him. Congrats! Well, if you never know before, you know now. Jamaica ever keep. So Tuesday morning, all the people were talking about was the fireman on top of the transport center. He was up there for over 6 hours in the sun before he slid down. He says he was protesting the working conditions of the firefighters. Him brave sir, me not lie. Like, my first question is, how do you even reach up there? You understand? Like, nobody never see him climbing. Anywho's, let's see what happens next. And finally holding the spot this week, Spice. So Spice posted a pic of a very round belly on Instagram earlier this week. Now, we're not really sure what's going on, but congrats if you are with child Auntie Spice, and we're really just happy to see you back. Honestly, it's so good to see you back on IG, okay? Some people think it's a publicity stunt, because you know Spice love mixed up a thing, you know, she's probably saying this is her rebirth into music and entertainment and, you know, she's back on the scene. I don't know, but if she is, congrats and we wish her, you know, a safe delivery. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything entertainment. Up next, Kashan and more Intense soon forward.